made of metal with adjustable clamps and adjustable flexible pole with two types of stands for your laptop, projectors, and more. Educational purposes, easy to install and assemble, and portable with rollers and locking wheels. And what we're going to show you is about this product and how to assemble. This is a combination of a projector and laptop stand and more. Stands up to 48 inches tall. From the provider Arwood store, we're going to open up the box, show you how nicely well it's packaged and bubble wrapped. All your parts and material and your guide of the parts list and the instruction guide on how to install. 4 caster wheels, your tools, open end wrenches, Allen keys, screwdriver, an adjustable arm, bolts, wing nut, washer, nuts, trays, arms, and trays. Everything is numbered by alphabet. We're going to take here are the 2 bars known as B and 4 casters known as F, and they're simply going to go into the area and start to screw down. Close-up look going into the area and screwing down. The open end wrench match up and lock down. Finish off the other 3 wheels. 2 of the wheels have locking mechanisms. Please make sure they go on the correct sides. With parts B and C, we're going to join the bar and 2 long bolts into the hole, matching up and securing down with an Allen key. Lock each of the top bolts down. Repeat for the opposite side with C, D, 4 bolts and nuts secure down. With the open end wrench and Allen key, start to tighten down. With pole number A, open up the clamps, slide down, and place on. As we open up each of the clamps to pull the poles out, we have 2 holes on each pole. We have a large thumb wheel with the bolt, unscrew. With the tray, simply place on. Place the bolt in to the inside or outside and place on. And secure down. And repeat for the other pole. With the adjustable bar, place on to the opposite side on the bottom, tighten down, place over and on, and snap on the tray and lock down and adjust accordingly. With the right angle Allen key, loosen up these 2 bolts. Hold the top, spread apart, allow to slide down onto the pole, and secure down by locking into place. Once secured down and locked into place, the unit will not spin when locked. Repeat for the same on the top one by locking down tight. When all completed, place down on the floor and adjust to the height you need. This is for education, business, pleasure, laptop, projector, multiple laptops, multiple projectors, with a small tray to put other items on. With locking wheels, simply release able to move around anywhere you want and lock the wheels into place. It's a movable stand anywhere imaginable, adjustable in heights you need. It measures from the floor to the top 48 inches. The width measures the maximum 25 inches. And the base measures 18 inches by 16 inches. Rear pedestal, projector stand, and more. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your personal needs. Thank you for viewing.